Can your admin read your Slack messages? So in here, if your manager or if your boss are using like the free or the only pro plans of Slack, then admins do not actually have a simple button to read your private logs unless they undergo a formal request process with Slack support that actually requires a full-on proof of legal rights or the employee consent, right? So there's no much chance if they are using a free plan or a pro plan. But however, if they're using a business plus or enterprise plan, then administrators can utilize the Discovery API or corporate export tools to download message package for any sort of legal or HR investigations. So yeah, you need to keep that on mind. If there are any sort of investigations going on around your office, then you should be careful because they can actually do it if they want to. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.